Standing at the base of the Great Pyramid of Giza, you are looking at the last remaining wonder of the ancient world. Since its completion around 2560 BCE for the pharaoh Khufu, the structure's millions of tons of limestone casing have physically blocked every attempt to see what remains hidden deep within the core. This 3D cross-section maps out the internal anatomy we have documented so far. Deep down, the subterranean chamber; higher up, the queen's and king's chambers, bridged by an incredible, sloping corridor known as the Grand Gallery. Inside the Grand Gallery, the scale is staggering. You are surrounded by high, corbelled walls, with tons of stone pressing in from every angle. For early explorers, mapping these spaces meant using pickaxes or even dynamite. Today, the Great Pyramid is a protected World Heritage Site, and destructive excavation is no longer an option. Because we cannot drill or blast through the blocks, our understanding of the pyramid's anatomy was limited by the sheer physical mass of the monument. In 2015, the ScanPyramids project arrived at Giza with a radical workaround. Instead of digging tools, they turned to particle physics. Deep space constantly fires cosmic rays at Earth. Hitting our atmosphere, they create a dense shower of subatomic particles called muons. They travel through empty space with ease, but dense rock slows and absorbs them. Physicists placed specialized muon detectors both inside and around the pyramid. By measuring how many muons successfully passed through the structure, the team could calculate the density of the stone above. They were effectively using space radiation to take a non-invasive structural X-ray of the entire Great Pyramid. This heat map, generated by the ScanPyramids data, revealed a massive anomaly. The stream of muons through this specific area was too high for solid rock, indicating a totally unknown void hidden deep inside. This big void is at least 100 feet long. It sits directly above the ceiling of the Grand Gallery. The team actually found two anomalies. The smaller one, a corridor near the north face, was recently verified when researchers slipped a tiny endoscope camera through a crack to film the interior. But the 100-foot big void remains entirely sealed off. No camera, no probe, and no human eyes have looked inside it since the ancient builders closed the pyramid. A 100-foot empty space demands an explanation, and speculation quickly jumped to hidden gold, lost ancient texts, or secret technology. To understand what this void actually is, we have to look at the architectural realities of building a stone mountain. This stress map shows the physical problem the builders faced. Millions of tons pressed straight down on the Grand Gallery's hollow roof. Architects solve this using relieving chambers. Placing a large empty space above deflects the crushing weight outward, channeling it safely down the sides. The Egyptians knew this technique well. They built a series of similar, smaller relieving chambers directly above the king's chamber for this exact purpose. The big void functions as a gargantuan architectural shock absorber. It routes the lethal weight of the upper pyramid away from the Grand Gallery below. But why go to such extreme lengths just to protect a hallway? In ancient Egyptian theology, the universe relied on Ma'at, the cosmic order. This balance depended entirely on the pharaoh successfully transitioning to the afterlife. The pyramid was designed to facilitate this journey. Its internal shafts and precise cardinal alignments were meant to launch the pharaoh's soul towards specific star systems in the sky. The Egyptians treated the Grand Gallery as a vital component of this celestial transit system. Any collapse of this corridor would have meant the failure of the pharaoh's ascension, a spiritual catastrophe that threatened the very balance of their world. The ancient builders didn't engineer the massive void to hide treasure. They built it to protect the theological machinery below it at all costs. 4,000 years ago, these builders used copper tools and manual labor to manipulate millions of tons of rock. Yet they possessed a sophisticated mastery of physical forces. Their understanding of physics was so precise that we required modern quantum detectors to finally see the blueprints hidden inside their work. The big void reveals a human belief system so powerful, it generated a structure we are only just now learning how to fully observe. Thank you for joining us on Uncovered. If you enjoyed this dive into the Great Pyramid, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments what mystery we should look into next.